how we all transcended into space, I hope. I'm gonna play 2 more songs on my ukulele. I think that's accurate, the accurate number of songs. I don't know why, but that's what I'm gonna do. And this song is called You Don't Even Wanna Know.